everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your baking supply store business. So I own a baking supply store and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. How this bot works is that as soon as I receive an inquiry from my customer on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to send the reply to that customer. This bot can share the list of the products that I sell in my business, the offers that are available, as well as share my contact details. As well as this bot can share the order link with the help of which the customer can place orders in my store. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a fully functional WhatsApp chatbot for your bakery supply store business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first, I'll give you a quick live demo of how the chatbot works for the customer's point of view, from asking their names and emails to showing product options and more. So this is the bot that I've created, you can see right over here, and towards this bot I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. So let's suppose for the message over here, I'm going to send this bot over here as hey. So as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, I have received this reply. Hello there, welcome to Bake Mart. This is the name of my business, your premium baking supplier partner. To get started, may I know your name? So let's suppose for the name over here, I'm going to write it as test user. Okay, so this is the name. I'm going to send this right here. It says, thanks test user. Can you also share your email address? So let's suppose for the email address over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the email that is test@pabblytunes.com. I'm going to send this email right over here to this bot. As I've done that, automatically you can see I have received this message. I have received the image of the bakery right here. Welcome to Bake Mart, and these are the options. So let's suppose I'm going to select this option over here and I have received the reply, okay? As you can see, this bot is automatically replying to each and every message of mine. So now we are going to dive into how you can build this chatbot step by step using Flow Builder inside Pabbly Chatflow with no coding needed. Whether you're selling baking supplies online or running a local store, the bot will help you to engage with your customer, boost sales, and automate support like a pro. So now let's get started of building this bot with Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, for that, what we are going to do is we are going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. For on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay, so I'm going to browse this website, and as soon as I'm going to do that, you can see Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. After coming to the landing page over here, you have two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now, what is Pabbly Chatflow? Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages effortlessly. Pabbly Chatflow provides a lot of tools. Over here, you can see these are all the tools like Inbox, Contact, Team Queues, Templates, Broadcasts, Flows, and in Settings, you can find other many options. If you want to briefly learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out the videos that we have already created and uploaded on our YouTube channel. On the dashboard on our Pabbly Chatflow account, you can add your WhatsApp number. For that, click on this button right over here. You have to fill in all the details. In order to have all the details, you have to open your WhatsApp Cloud API account, okay? And to create a setup of your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API account, you can find this video over here, that is add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API. And with the help of this tutorial, as you're going to watch this tutorial, you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account using WhatsApp Cloud API, okay? And in Pabbly Chatflow account, you can also create folders of the different numbers that you can add in your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply click on this plus button, name the folder over here and create the folder by clicking on this button right here, okay? So this was the overview of Pabbly Chatflow. Now we are going to create our own WhatsApp chatbot. And how can we create a WhatsApp chatbot in our Pabbly Chatflow account? For that, we need to create a new flow. For creating flows, we have to go to the left side, click on the flow and select this flow section right here. You can see I've landed on the flow builder page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. On the flow builder page, you can find the total number of flows that you have created, active flows and all the inactive flows, okay? And if you're going to scroll down, you can find all the flows that you have created in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let us create a flow right here. For that, click on this add flow button on the top right corner. As you're going to do that, a new flow has been created. Okay, firstly, we are going to rename the flow. And the name over here, I want to give it as Bakery Supply Store Bot. Okay, this is the name I want to give to this bot that I am creating. After giving the name, you can see an option Flow Start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. So a customer sends us a message and we have to let this bot recognize those messages. For doing that, we have three options: keywords, regex, and choose template. Keywords. Let's suppose a customer sends me a message like hello or hi or hey. So these are the keywords that I can add directly right over here. So my first word over here, my first keyword is hello. So I'm going to write the word and press the enter key to save the keyword. So my keyword is hello, okay? So let's suppose a customer sends me hello on my WhatsApp. Automatically this bot from here is going to be triggered. In the similar manner, I want to enter a few other keywords right over here like hey, hi, and help, okay? So I've added these keywords right here. You can add other keywords according to your requirement. So let's suppose instead of using keywords, a customer sends me an inquiry. What are the different equipments that you provide in your bakery supply store? So this inquiry is forwarded to me by the customer on WhatsApp. Not only this customer, there can be thousands of customers who can have the same inquiry, but will send me that inquiry in different sentences, in different patterns. So the first customer was asking about the equipment. So let's suppose another customer has also asked about it, but they have sent me a message as, can you tell me about all the equipments that you provide in your store? And another customer sends me, do you provide equipments in your store? So you can see a same inquiry has been asked to me by different customers in different patterns. But all of them are trying to ask me a same question. So how this bot can sense that? With the help of regex right here. In regex, you have to enter a particular pattern and this regex is going to sense the words out of the patterns that our customer sends us. Enter the regex over here in a pattern and toggle the button on right over here after doing that. It is not mandatory to toggle the button on. Toggle the button on in case of sensitive regex only, okay? So after entering the regex, you have last option as choose template. So let's suppose you send a template to a customer and a customer replies towards it. So this bot is going to be triggered from here. You can choose the template right over here in this flow start. I don't want the regex and the choose templates, so I'm going to skip the part. So now after setting up our flow start, as this flow is going to be triggered by my customer's message. So let's suppose a customer sends me a message, hello. Now what this bot should send to the customer? The bot should first welcome the customer and I want this bot should collect customers' details like name and the email. So firstly, I want to collect my customer's full name. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to add an ask question field in this flow right here. For that, go to actions and over here you can see ask questions. Drag it and drop it in this field right here. Now we are going to add a question. Over here for the enter message, I am going to write it as, so this is my first question right here. Hello there, welcome to Bake Mart, your premium baking supplies partner. You can see I've greeted the customer. To get started, may I know your name please? Firstly, I want to collect the data of the name of my customer. So the customer to this message is going to reply to me with their name. Now, where can I keep the record of this name? So now, where can I keep the record of this name that I'm going to receive? For that, you can use an amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom field. On the left side, go to settings option and open this contact custom fields right here. So this is the contacts custom field page of our Pabbly Chatflow account. And these are the different contact custom fields that I've created. You can see right here, okay? You can add your own contact custom field over here of name and you can save that field right over here. As we're going to do that, whenever a customer is going to reply to this message with their name, automatically the data of it is going to be recorded in the contact custom field that you have created. I have created a contact custom field of full name and the email you can see right over here. So over here, we can select the contact custom field from this drop down. This is the full name field. I'm going to select that right here. What is going to be the format of the reply that my customer is going to give to this message? It is going to be text. So I'm going to select it as text right here. It is asking for a number of attempts. I'm only giving one attempt. And then it is asking for the validation message. So let's suppose a customer replies to this message, but it is not equal to the format that we have selected over here in this bot. Then what the validation message should be forwarded. So I'm going to write my validation message for an example over here as error. Okay. So this is the validation message that is error that is going to be forwarded towards my customer. So this is the first question that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they send me any of these messages. Okay. So now we need to connect our flow start to this question right here. For that, simply from this point, drag it and connect it to this question point right here. You can see an arrow. This means this step is connected to this step right here. Now, after connecting the name, I want to collect the email address data. For that, again, add an ask question field right here. And for the message, write it as. So this is the question that I've written right here. Thanks, $full name. So now what is this $full name? As a customer is going to reply to me with their name over here with this message, automatically the record of it is going to be created in this contact custom field name full name. Now I want that data that is added in this contact custom field full name to be added over here next to this thanks, as I want to add the customer's name next to the thanks. For that, I've added the name of the contact custom field that was full name. You can see right over here. This is the name. And in front of it, I have added this $sign right here. And as I've done that, let's suppose a customer replies to the name as test user. This message is going to be thanks test user. Okay. It says, can you please share your email address so that we can send you order updates, recipes, or sweet deals. So over here it is asking for the email address. So contact custom field is going to be email address. Format is going to be email right over here. Number of attempts 1. And if the customer replies to me towards this message, but the format is not email, then they will receive a validation message of error. So I've written it as error right here. Okay. So this is my next question right here. So I'm going to connect both of these questions. So as now this bot has collected all the required details from my customer. Now what I want is, I want to greet my customer. I want to send them an image of my supply store. With that, I want to send them few options. Now for doing all of that, we are going to first from this question, drag this point and drop it in this field. Choose the content type as media first, as I want to share the image of my supply store first. For the media type, I am going to select as image. If you want to use other media types, you can do it according to your requirement. I am going to select the media type as image right here. It is asking for me to paste the media URL. I do not want to paste the media URL. I want to directly upload it right here. For that, click on this button right over here. As you're going to do that, this window is going to appear in front of you, and this is my store image. I am going to open it right here, and within few seconds the image is going to be automatically uploaded in this flow. Okay, you can see the image is automatically uploaded of my supply store. After the image, I want to greet my customers. With that, I want to send them number of options. For that, simply click on this add content button right over here and select the content type over here as text plus button. Now it is asking for us to enter the message. For the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I've written right over here. That is, welcome to Bake Mart. This is the name of my business. We are thrilled to help you to create magic in the kitchen. Please choose an option to get started. So over here, it's asking for the options. To add the options, I want to add buttons to this message. For that, click on this add button right over here. It is asking for the name of the button. So for the name of the button over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the name of my button, that is browse products. With the help of this button, the customer can browse all the products that I provide in my store. After that, I want to add another button, and the name of the other button is going to be view offers. Using this button, the customer can view offers that are available in my store. And I want to add another button that is going to be contact support. Using this button, they can have all the details of my store like the email and the phone number. Okay. So now you can add only 3 maximum number of buttons in a message. So I've added all the 3 buttons right here. So what is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is browse products? If the customer selects this button, they are going to have a list of all my products. In list, there are going to be multiple sections, and under sections, they can find all the items. And as soon as they are going to select an item, automatically towards them, an image with the description of that item is going to be forwarded. Okay. So now to create your own list, what you have to do is over here from the left side, go to messages and select this list option, drag it and drop it in this field right here. Firstly, we need to give the header name to the list. For the header over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the header that I've written, that is products at Bake Mart. Okay, so this is the header of the list. And for the body of the list, I'm going to write it as. So this is the body of the list, that is welcome to Bake Smart exclusive products catalog. Here you will find everything you need to take your baking to the next level. You can see this is the body right here. So now I don't want to add a footer, so I'm going to skip the part. Now after that over here it says add section. I want to add a section in my list, so I'm going to click on this button and it is asking for the section title, which is going to be. So this is the section title, that is ingredients / add-ons. Okay. So over here, this is my first section, and under this section, I have 2 products. For that, I'm going to click on this add items button, and this is going to be my first product, my first item. So the name of the item is going to be, so this is the name of my item, that is Belgium chocolate chunks. Okay. So this is the first item in this section. I want to add another item right over here, which is going to be. So this is the item, that is colorful sparkle mix. Okay, so this is the another item in this section. In the similar manner, I'm going to add another section over here, name the title of the section, and I'm going to add the products in this section. So you can see I've added another section over here, that is baking tools, silicone muffin tray, and the digital kitchen scale. Now over here under the items, you can also add the description. I don't want to add the description because I want my customer to select the product and they will receive the description by selecting the product. That is why I've skipped the part right here. If you want, you can add the description according to your requirement. So now let's suppose a customer selects this product right over here, that is Belgian chocolate chunks. So what message should be forwarded to them? From this dot, drag it and drop it in this field. Firstly, I want to share the image of the product that I'm selling. For that, I'm going to select the content type as media. Select the media type, which is going to be image, and I'm going to upload the image over here. And you can see I've created the image of this product, Belgium dark chocolate chunks. I'm going to open this image right here. And as I'm going to do that, automatically within few seconds, the image is going to be uploaded in this message over here. As you can see, this image has now been uploaded. Now with the image, I want to send the description of this product. For that, I'm going to add content. Select the content type as text button. And I'm going to write the description over here in this enter message field. So this is the description that I've written of Belgium dark chocolate chunks. Great choice of 70% rich Belgium dark chocolate chunks are perfect for cookies, brownies and gooey cakes. Melt smooth and taste divine. You can see right over here. This is the description of the product Belgium chocolate chunks with the image right here. Now with this, I want to add a button over here and the name of the button is going to be order now. Okay. So with the help of this button, the customer can order this product right now. Now for the order now button, I'm going to wait over here for a few seconds because I'm going to add this order now button for each and every product that I've added in this list right here. So I'm going to connect this order now button to the same message that I'm going to create for each and every products. Okay. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this option, that is Belgian chocolate chunks. Okay. Now in this similar manner, I am going to add the description, image and the button order now for each and every product that I've added in this list right here. You can see I've added this description, image and the order now button for each of the products. This is the color sprinkles. This is the image, the message and the order now button. For the silicone muffin tray, you can see right over here, the image, message, order now button, digital kitchen scale, image, message and the order now button. Okay. So now I have to write the message for the order now. For that, simply from the messages, I'm going to select this text button option and drop it right here. And for the message of the order now, I'm going to write it as. So now over here, this is the message for the order now. Awesome choice. Click the link below to place your order and add some magic to your baking journey with Bake Mart. Order here and this is the link that I've added right here. Okay. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they press the button order now. So over here, this is the Belgium chocolate order now button. I'm going to simply drag it and connect it to this point right over here of order now. For the sparkle also, I'm going to connect this order now button right here. Similarly, for the silicone tray right here, I'm going to connect this button. And lastly, for the digital kitchen scale, I'm going to connect the button right over here. I'm going to connect this button to the message order now. So this is the list that is going to be forwarded towards my customer. And I'm going to connect this list to this message of the browse products right here. Okay, so simply drag it and connect it to this list right over here. You can see this list is connected to this browse products button. Now after the browse products, I have added two other buttons. One is view offers. For that, I'm going to add a message. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here is going to be, so this is the message right here, that is today's special offers, buy to get one free, 20% off, free shipping, grab them before the melt away. Would you like to place an order? For placing an order, add the button of order now over here as well. So this is the button that is going to be added, that is of order now. And I'm going to connect this order now button over here to this message. So this is the message, I'm going to connect it, okay? So this is the same order now message that is going to be forwarded with this button, that is view offers, okay? Now after that over here, you can see lastly it is asking for the contact support. For that, I'm going to select the content type as text button, and the message over here is going to be, we are here to help you. If you have any questions, need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at this email and this phone number. Our support team is available from Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We look forward to assisting you. Okay, you can see this is the message that is going to be forwarded of the support with this button right here. So this is the entire bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. Now I want to save this bot right here. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange all the messages. So now after creating this bot, we need to save this bot that we have created. For that, click on the save button over here. As I've done that, it says flow updated successfully. Now we are going to test this flow whether it's successfully working or not. For that, what we are going to do is, we are going to send a message to this bot that we have created using my WhatsApp number. And after sending messages, we are going to check whether this bot automatically replies to all the questions that I ask or not, okay? So let's suppose for the message over here, I'm going to send this bot as hey. As I've done that, you can see we have received the reply as, hello there, welcome to BakeMart, your premium baking suppliers partner. I want to know your name. So let's suppose for the name over here, I'm going to write it as demo account. Okay, so this is the name. I'm going to send this name right here. It says, thanks demo account, can you share your email address? So for the email address over here, I'm going to write it as demo@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send this email address over here. As I'm going to do that, you can see I've automatically received this message. Firstly, I've received the image of the bakery. You can see right over here. It says, welcome to Bake Smart. We are thrilled to help you create magic in the kitchen. Please choose an option to get started. I want to browse the product, so I'm going to select this button right here. Now this is a list. I'm going to open the list, and these are the products in the list under these sections. I want to know about the colorful sprinkles mix. So I'm going to select the product and send it right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see automatically I have received the image of the sprinkles. With this, I've received it, colorful sparkles mix. Our rainbow sparkles are fun way to brighten up cupcakes, donuts and cookies. Kids love them. Bakers swear by them. Okay, so you can see this is the description that is going to be forwarded with the image of the sprinkles right here. If I'm going to click on this order here button, automatically I have received the link where I can order the product. Okay. Now with that, I also want to know about the Belgium chunks right here. So I'm going to select this product as well. As I'm going to do that, I have received the image of the Belgium chunks. You can see right over here. This is the description. And if I'm going to click on this order here button, I will receive a message with the link where I can order this product. Now, after browsing the product, I want to view the offers that this store provides free. So I'm going to select view offers, and automatically I have received the message with the offers right here with the order here button as well, which I'm going to click, and I will receive the website on which I can order the products. Now over here, the last option is contact support. So if I'm going to select this option right over here, I have received the email address and the phone number of the bakery supply store. You can see right here with the day and the time when I can contact them. Okay, so you can see this bot is automatically replying to each and every message of mine. This means this bot has now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now as a business owner, if you want to check all the messages, all the conversations between your bot and your customers, you can use amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox. So on the left side, go to this inbox section right over here. So this is the inbox page of the Pabbly Chatflow account, and on the left side you can see all the chats. If I'm going to open this chat right over here, this is the conversation between your bot and your customer. You can see right over here. Okay, this bot has collected the customer's details, which also you can see right here. All the replies of the customers you can see right over here, and all the replies of the bots as well. So now while this bot was giving the answers to the customer, it has also collected data of the customer like the name and the email address. So from where are we going to find the name and the email address? For that, on the right side, go to this contact custom fields section. Scroll down, you can see for the full name, that is demo account, and this was the full name that my customer has provided. Email was demo@pabblytudes.com. You can see this is the same email right here. The record is also automatically been created by the bot. You can find all the conversation and the status of the messages over here as well. So as you can see, the bot is auto-replying. This means now this bot is successfully created. And that's how you can build a smart interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your baking business in just few minutes using Pabbly Chatflow. You can test this chatbot yourself or even build your own bot right now. Because when you are going to sign up, Pabbly is going to give you 100 free credits to try out and create your own test bot. So go ahead and start creating your own chatbot today and give your customers a delightful experience with Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.